Nothing can't be done as I can. The pinnacle of regenerative medical technology. SuperJ International Pharmaceutical Group. Crafting life's legend. And scripting the tale of timelessness. Many people eat very little but suffer from bloating and abdominal pain and do not want to eat anymore. Some need to eat a lot to gain weight. Some will lose weight no matter how much they eat at a certain age. SuperJ International Pharmaceutical Group successfully developed D'Wei Enzyme Plus in 2010. It is fermented from sea buckthorn and hundreds of other fruits and vegetables. It contains omega-7, which is effective for indigestion, bloating, abdominal pain, gastritis, gastric ulcer, enteritis, esophagitis, chronic constipation, etc. D'Wei Enzyme Plus protects gastric mucosal tissue, repairs damaged digestive tract mucosa, maintains the integrity of the mucosa, and balances gastric acid secretion. It forms a protective membrane to isolate attacking factors such as gastric acid, pepsin, and bile. It can also repair the gastric mucosal epithelial tissue, as well as improve blood circulation and supply of oxygen and nutrients to stomach tissues. D'Wei Enzyme Plus also contains digestive enzymes to break down fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. The lack of digestive enzymes will affect human body to break down food and absorb the nutrients. The most common symptom is uncomfortable stomach after taking high-protein food. It can also cause heartburn, gastroesophageal reflux, Helicobacter pylori infection, intestinal bacterial overgrowth, parasitic intestinal infection, nutrient deficiencies, reduced bile, food sensitivities, osteoporosis, hair loss, depression, anxiety, weakened immune system, etc. It is worth noting that a lack of digestive enzymes will affect mineral absorption. This will then affect the production of thyroid hormones, causing hypothyroidism, which will lead to reduced gastric acid. If not addressed, a vicious cycle will form. In some cases, it can lead to more serious complications such as stomach ulcers or cancer. Yet, D'Wei Enzyme Plus can prevent these problems. D'Wei Enzyme Plus restores a healthy gastrointestinal tract that affects one's vitality. Safety is the most important thing when choosing gastrointestinal tract products. Therefore, D'Wei Enzyme Plus has passed the national inspection and product certification to ensure that the product is safe and effective. If you like this video and enjoy watching it, please share it out. You can also tag your family and friends, or anyone you loved and cared about. Who knows that this video can be a great help to them?